Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Senzo Mewa, after they came back from recess. 2 weeks, guys, in jail of nothing. Just tell me, and it's actually 10 years in 2 weeks' time. Senzo Mewa Ashona, guys. It's like so unfair in so many ways. And you bubuka my comments, guys, you just like things like you know that Chico's gun is also implicated on Lucky Dube's passing. I'm just like, guys, it's a lot. Like, we can't handle these things at times. It's scary stuff. It's too much to swallow, you know? I'm just like, like ofile ukuthi hayi man lo muntu loyo uyalala ebusuku mina angeke ngize ngikwazi shem. I don't even want to lie. Angazi ukuthi wa bribe actually not bribed, but more like he was paid 30 million to delete people. Ama witnesses are being deleted. Aphelile ama witnesses. Ama witnesses actually that have been deleted. Ama witnesses that have been deleted, they almost 10, yeah, or 8 actually to be exact. And it's feeling sometimes there could be more, just that we don't know on it. Yeah, there could be more. Butilo was next door, Naga the Kumalo house died mysteriously. All of them, we just feel the type of what happened. Like Utini, what happened? Like Ukubala Leontele. All of them, Jebahamba Ngendlela is feeling ukuthi ayikho normal, guys. Ayikho normal. Udokotela utreated long way. Bawu-2 phela. Angithi khona afikela kuyena omunye wamreferela komunye. The one died, the other one. Omunye is on the run, remember I said. Guys, like it's a lot. It's a lot. Undovu. Omunye futhi naye was involved in this case. Kusho ile group leyo Makhubo ngithi u375, the 375 case of the people that were in the house. Waqale wahamba nge10 kwalandela unkosikazi. Guys, omabhena baphi? Like uyazwa kodwa guys. Like it's a lot. Also ngithi there could be more. We've actually decided that there could be more. Yeah. Hey, abonje guys, asibeke lapho yokuthi bahamba kanjani ama witnesses. Those are actually our witnesses. Lawa hambayo. Awakona akabaluyi. Ubalo is fine. Lalabantu bakhe abathatha ngazi from where abalethe kuthini ontini. Like how is Ntini helping us, guys? Sireo, how did Sireo help us? Mangena Urata nje guys, how nje he handled this thing, yeah. Accused number 3, Umncube. It's just like so crazy, guys. I just feel like he has no empathy. I don't like when I'm really like, how can I stay in solitary confinement since 2019 for 5 years, guys? You tell you solitary confinement. Get to a valley. Solitary confinement is for people abanga behave abangenzi nice. So if you seen him, how come he is that man? Yinje into angayenza ukuthi ungaze uzifile ukuthi kufanele abe alone and be unhappy, abe lezo zinto. Yo guys, like it's just so crazy how he's being treated. And the Umnitsi is like, bruh, like I can't continue with this case. We're gonna need to adjourn and be pause a bit and like talk about this. Why Umncube fanele yena abe ne treatment enjena? And I think it's because after Historic Cameroon and how Judge Edwin Cameron and Umnisi actually who advocate Umnisi, how he said ngeke umuntu akahlale kanje. And then Urata does actually say no, he's gonna need another lawyer in ezomela around this thing. And all he does, Urata, he never really helps with anything. Remember, he had said he was going to speak to Cameroon. And immediately 2 days after they took Cameroon, on that weekend, actually, when they went on recess, Cameroon came and was like, I know this is what's going on, you know, after Nisi spoke, and then Besta, which, actually I met with Besta, although Besta didn't really tell me about the laptop here. I can remember I had a video for that as well. But my thing is that he likes bragging. My friend, my banbani will do it. Here is a case in this. You can actually use this case that was done by my good friend. Guys, those things don't help us. Well, how is that ukuthi when I was bani was like honestly? You're not helping umNcube. And then aqede lapha akaqhubeke umnisi noNtini. What must we do with Ntini, guys? Ngoba uNtini uzobe ekutshela ukuthi no, it's an opinion that I'm giving. Opinion yani when you didn't go to the Khumalo's house. What opinion are you giving to us? You don't even know what even happened in that crazy house, for that matter. I always ask myself, I could never. How ngeke izingikwazi, guys? Yes, ngifile kanjani nje ngesizulu ukuthi usenzome uyandwanguza nje kule yandlu. I just feel like that. Tell me if I'm wrong. Ukubona leyo nto leyo. It's just crazy. His spirit is there somewhere, somehow. It's just like, yo, bahamba bona kaKheli ngoba babezaza ngithi izinto abashiya lapha manje kodwa they can't come to court and tell us those things. Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo uRatha nje akamzweli, shame accuse number 3 is like whatever. Like, are you gonna help him when nisi or what's gonna happen? Ukuyibona leyo nto leyo, and we can't adjourn, we can't pause as it is now. Uzobe kutshela ngoJP, obviously. I mean, JP is gonna shout at me, yeah, this case is taking long. We can't. Kodwa umNcube wabantu, his mental state is not fine, guys. This guy is not okay. Uyasho uNcube ukuthi angikho right. How can I stay alone? Anginamuntu angivakashela ngenze next. I don't have a life. Basically, I'm stuck here. And at the end of the day, I've never seen Senzo. I don't know him from a bar of soap. Judge Ratha Mokgoatleng ubesezenza nje sengathi because he actually doesn't care about any kind of. He has no respect actually for human rights. He doesn't give two hoots about it. It's like, what must happen? The court must continue. I can't for one person. I need to know his tip. Ukuthi kuphi ulo amqondo wokuthi isibhamu in fact esabulala uSenzo sasiphethwe uaccused number 3 leso Gininda amnikeze sona wamplanta sona bamkhiphela phandle umuntu where he stays, and they were like, hello, hi, this is the gun that you found in your house. What can you do with that information? Ngoba uGininda fanele akuthathe akubophe. How many people has he done that to? Utefo is one of the people that has done that too. So yabona ukuthi guys, like what we dealing with here. Sesenkingeni. Judge Ratha actually, instead of showing empathy to advocate Charles Munisi, avele umuntu athi, listen, just read case ecishe ifane neyakho. Guys, I can't be reading anything. Client mental state at this point. Like, who does that? Ukubona lona. Do you know what I'm going through right now? Can't be reading anything. Are you hearing me? Ngithi kwena umuntu wami uyahlukumezeka eSimex akahlezi kahle bamvalela. He has no life basically. Vele lento le inifunayo nina no Gininda basically wena Ratha and Gininda. But I mean, uyangizwa kahle ukuthi ngithini wena uthi no, here's the case ifunde. Like, honestly guys, uRatha, where does he even get off? I don't know how you feel about this, but I just feel like Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda has a hold of some sort in the correctional services. What do you think, guys? Please comment down, guys. Ngoba ngempela lento kaGininda manje needs to stop. Like uyakhasaza nangubaba. And one of my colleagues ku YouTube was busy saying, it's powerful Gininda. I'm like, powerful what? Powerful ini? Sidlala umuntu. We are where we are. One person. I've said it. I even said this on the weekend before we came back from recess. We are stuck because of one person. With this case. Let's just my thing. This is why Lisa. Where is of innocence? Had he not gone to Kelly's house? No, he wasn't going to die. And it's why you could have just stayed there. Wasn't Zela Leo Brian against a lap instead of coming to the Kumalos. That's just my thing. But so Kelly can't even tell us what happened to Umkayawam. Oh, guys. Siyabona uRatha nje akekho right. When the defense yabona le yanto Ngomezulu nobaloyi. Umbaloyi is like just write an email like ngingena nowhere mina in your life. But the email ufuna leyo ID ufuna like guys in a way I just feel like i-ID iphethe ubaloyi. Like have you ever felt like that? Ngifila ukuthi thina sirule ukininda nobaloyi in our lives and Ratha at the same time. I'm just like uRatha noMpempe ukubona, and then these two are playing together. You know, sure ukuthi manje ikani ukudlala. I'm like, wow. Like, honestly, guys, you cannot even be serious right now. And then Umnisi is just like, you know what? I cannot be in two places at the same time. Nam ngumuntu elifini. And you know, accuse number 3 umuntu. We are deserve ukuthi angathethwa kanje for 4 years. Oh, actually, it's over 4 years. Sitting in solitary confinement. Engena life, engena next. But ngifila ukuthi untini uyangibhora. So ngifuna ukumenza yedwa untini with me, because I just feel like what is Ntini bringing in our lives? I think that's those people are sent basically to they there for Chris Mangena. But I'm cover up. There's nothing there. No Sereo, there's nothing there. But I just feel like uRatha shame uyalwisa. I think even as a dad, uRatha later play lusingani. Uyalwisa baba. Uyalwisa baba loyana. Is like very bad when it comes to those things. We appreciate you guys so much. There's been a lot of support around the YouTubers, especially the top ones, Ubungani and them. Remember I said in another video, who have been covering this for years, this Senzo Meyiwa case for years. Safika sabajoyina, we support them. Bethola ama-threats, besatshiswa. We understand leyo, but we appreciate you guys for the love. For me, the love that you guys are giving me. My subscribers are just taking off. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna put it. They're taking off, and I really appreciate you guys. But I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much, guys. Ngithanda over. Sisazoqhubeka later-ke emva kokuthi-ke uRatha was like, yeah, imagine when Advocate Mnisi vele u-applye, Charles Mnisi apply for ukuthi ngoba Mnisi was like yena he can't be in two places at the same time, you understand? So just I was like, no, just apply, and then sizobona ukuthi simsiza kanjani umuntu wakho ukubona le bonto leyo, because it's a lot for him ngobona. Yeah, no guys, ngicabanga ukuthi ngi-endele phela lapho, because shame labo le case le inde indaba yayo, indaba ende. Ngisazoqhubeka ngendaba kaNtini, because mina really uNtini bores me. Ezobe kutshela ukuthi no, it's an opinion, man. I was asked to give an opinion. I didn't have to do anything. Ukubona, I'm just like, wow.